In this video, I'm going to show you how to do image inspection. So basically, you want to zoom in an area to inspect it carefully, to look at the pixels, to look at each values x, y, and z. So in the toolbar, we have the zoom in and zoom out, and then we also have the pan. If you zoom in, you can pan the image. So for example, I can draw a box there, and then you can pan around. So this is a typical MATLAB operation. You can also reset to its original view. You can also rotate the image, and you can also do the data cursor, which you can, for example, click one point, and it shows you the x, y, and is a z value, which will be the index. Yes. So you can also do the inspection in the main image panel and the inspection panel here. The main image panel, you have mask overlay and mask only, and they are used once you analyze the image. So I will tell about that later when I go to image analysis. For now, we have the pop-up option, which is available. So what it does is it opens an IM2. It requires MATLAB, so it won't be. You have to have MATLAB to use this tool. So what this gives you is an overview of the image, and you can do the standard operations like zoom in or out, and you can also inspect the image pixels. For example, you can have a small box here, and what you see is you can see each pixels in. When you drag the box, you can see each pixels in each individual pixel and its values, which represents the intensity values of that pixel. And for more information about that too, you can refer to MATLAB documentation. It's called the IM2. You can check it out by using tooltip, so it shows you what it means. The other option you can use is to drag an inspection box. You can do that either by right-click the image and click the draw inspection box, or you can also click this box button. So this lets you draw a box, which pops up a new window that shows you the inspection image. So here you are. So if you move the window around, you see the inspection image, and the new window also moves around. So, and you can also pop up a specific area, which is so this function only works on images without pixel scales. So right now, because I'm opening a raw image, we have pixel scales already written here. So, but if you open an image without pixel scales specified, like any image formats that does not have image scales, unlike the raw data, then you can use the pop-up function. The other option you can do is to do the contour in 3D. So what this does is it draws the contour of the area within this box, or 3D within this box. For example, I'll talk more about that when I talk about the 3D and the contour operation in image metrics. For now, we also have the pixel info, and so when you click this, when you move your mouse around the image, you can see there's a black box on the left bottom corner. So it shows you the x, y, and the z values. So the x, y values, right now we don't have the x. I just toggle the axis on. So you see it's like so the axis unit is in micron. So it's actually we can use nanometers, so it's better here. So you see it's 250 nanometer, and so the x, y, you can see also the z values. So alright, that's for the lesson for how to do inspection in image metrics.